for the development of our time. We begin with a look at the world before the Industrial Revolution. Explore the way people lived and worked, how they interacted with each other, and how they were limited by the technology of the time. Show how the world changed with the Industrial Revolution, and how it opened up new possibilities for the future. This act focuses on the world today. Examine the modern world, and how technology has transformed the way we interact and work. Discuss the global economy, the role of technology in business, and the challenges of a modern society. Explore the opportunities and challenges of the future, and how we can use technology to reach new heights. In this act, we look ahead to the future of our world. Discuss the potential for new technologies and the implications of those technologies on our lives. Explore the possibilities of a post-industrial world, and discuss how we can use new technologies to make our lives better. Conclude by bringing together all the ideas and concepts discussed in the script. Discuss the potential for a brighter future and how we can use technology and innovation to create a better world. Show how the development of our time has taken us from the past to the present and to the future, and how it has given us the opportunity to shape a better tomorrow.